Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. This is Monday morning at 11. Um, I'm going to be I'm making this video to put some content on my Shawzae wig channel. I have not done that in a long time. I have two channels. One is Shaw Urban Medicine, which is the one I usually do a lot of posting to. So I'm going to try to do better with this channel by bringing in some fresh content. So that's what I'm doing today. I am selling handbags as well as wigs and toppers. And I did want to show these handbags off and everything. Sharing. So I can't say this is an unboxing because I've already taken them out to make sure I got what I had ordered and things like that. But anywho, I did. Now these are just some of the handbags that I did get. That's going to be on the website. I have six here to show, and I'm not going to take a long time on doing it and so forth. So here we go. This is so cute. And look at all the gold hardware. I absolutely love this handbag here. This is a Veneto designer handbag. It's a small handbag, but it's got a lot of space inside. It also had the phone compartment inside, and as you can see, it's brown, got cloth linen inside and everything. And this is also a shoulder bag, so you can carry this bag like this, or you can put the shoulder straps and carry it on the here shoulder strap. So I just love on the, like I said, the gold hardware on this bag, and this is so cute. I like the cross stitch designs and all that, and this is, like I said, the vanilla designer brand. Okay, now some of these bags I have not taken out of the plastic, so I am doing so now. uh, And of course, they got these in here to, um, do that. And here's the strap uh, that goes to this bag here. And here's the little kitty cat thing. This is a key pouch, and it goes on the outside. Let's see which side I'm going to put it on. It actually goes like this. Isn't that cute? Isn't that super cute? This is your key chain, and so far super cute. This is also another small cute handbag, um, and with the gold hardware here on the side and all that. I think this key thing actually goes in the front. I put it on the wrong side, but that's okay. Because all you have to do is just clip this off. At least that's the way it looked in the picture. It's on this side here. And you just attach it, and there you go. And because it goes with this the brand, the gold hair, and so far super cute. This is black in the inside. um and of course, like I said, it has the straps. It has a hand by pockets and everything, and it holds a lot to be its size, and it's got a zipper top. And put this back in. So super cute. Super cute. And it also has a little pouch right here for you to stick something in there if you want to get to it real quick. So also you can carry this as a handbag, or you can carry it as a shoulder bag. Okay. So now we get into some nice colors here. And you will say, okay, this lavender color is for spring, but it's not, because you do carry these handbags in the winter. as well. And actually, this handbag here is just like the black one. This is the different color. It has the purple straps here, and also the cute, super cute keychain. And I'm gonna put this on the right side this time. Yeah, super cute, super cute, super cute. So here you go. This is just like the black one, and everything with the gold hardware little pouch here. So these are so cute. So this is the second one. Third one here. Now, we have this bag here, and I love all these handbags. I do. I love them all. And but this is one of my favorite here. Uh, Look at the gold shoulder straps. Absolutely cute, 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 cute. Look at that. Cute, cute, cute. Absolutely. I love that gold hardware. Of course, you got these in here. These is the strap, so that you can carry it. And see it inside. It's got cloth lining, zipper top. It's absolutely just cute, 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 and got all these compartments in the inside. Cute little bag and holds an awful lot. You can carry it like this, or you can do the strap thing right here. I absolutely love, love, love this cute, 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 cute little bag. Okay, gonna set that to the side. Okay, and we have two more. Two more. Harley, don't get in my way. Puppy always want to get in the way and Mala. Yeah, always want to get in the way and Mala. Get out of the way, Harley. Get out of the way. Here is another super cute bag. Super cute. This one here, I love that design here on this bag. This is like a lavender color as well. And this bag here has, oh, look at the cute little tassel here on this bag here. And it goes on, I think, the front of it and everything. I gotta find the little clamp to hang. Yeah, okay, I see it here. This is how you hang this little clip here, and you hang it on here, and it goes like this. Let me put it on this one here. Now I won't put it on the other one, but I will go ahead and put it on this one here, so that you can see it. Okay, if I can get it all, let me get it open. It is. So yeah. Let's see. There we go. Got one of them open, and I'm gonna stick this on here and let you see the tassel that's gonna be on the bag. Yeah, they don't put these on here until after. See here the little design here, the little tassel here. So this bag is cute, cute, cute. Again, this is a pink color here, rose color, black and inside. Got two sides, and also too it has the strap here, so you can actually carry it like this, or you can carry the shoulder bag like that. And here's the last one here. Um, I'm gonna put all these back in the same plastic and so forth after I get showing and everything. Now this is the gray one, and I especially like this gray because you can carry these bags like this all year round. Actually, you can carry any of these bags all year round and so forth. We're not so traditional anymore with spring colors and all that stuff. We're not so traditional anymore with that. But Harley, quit sniffing me. Every time you put on a new shirt or something, he's got to sniff. Yeah, checking out my TV while I'm doing this. Okay, so yeah, this is the last bag and so forth, and it has the tassel as well in here. Let me make sure. And here's the strap, and here is the little cute tassel that will be attached to the outside of the bag. So here, these bags are super, super cute. They're not very, very big bags, and if you want big bags, we are going to have lots of large bags on our website and so forth. But right now, all the new bags that we have coming in are actually small to medium size bags and so forth. So these bags are nicely crafted, put together and everything. And I'm like so happy about these new bags and so forth. And we have some more. Some of them are already put on the website, www.com, shawzaewigs.com. Excuse me, www.shawzaewigs.com. And most of these bags are, these here are not on the website, but I've already added some of the new bags onto the website, and I do have some on order that haven't came in. So I'm looking to get those, and then they'll be on the website too. And then we're going to go ahead and show you our updated jewelry, which is going to be next. Like I said, I'm trying to bring some new content to our Shawzae Wig channel on YouTube. I did neglect this channel for a long time. And I do have hair and other things on the website because I'm a herbalist, so I do, work with ladies with hair loss and thinning hair, which is the reason that we do have hair and so forth on our website and everything. So we do that. But anyway, but handbags and so forth are not on my short herbal medicine website. They're only going to be on the Shawzae Wig website and everything. And thank you guys. I'm like, so excited about these handbags. I just had to show them and everything. And when I get the new ones in, I'll show those as well. I'll make another video with those. And like I said, we're gonna update our jewelry jewelry department, and we'll bring that to you too. Thank you. Bye.